Did I hit it?
Oh God, look at this. Look at this. You should go a little bit more in front, bro. Ooh, bro, I f***ing look massive on the fucking car window.
What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 2. We're here in Huntington Beach. It's Memorial Day weekend. We're gonna take some sun, throw the frisbee around. There's a lot of people.
Bars are open.
Bars are open, restaurants are open. Looks like things are gonna get back to normal pretty soon. The gyms are not open yet. That's one thing that's not open yet. But I have a friend that saw episode 1 and he has access to a private gym. So tonight we're gonna go get a little workout in. I'm gonna hit legs. What are you gonna hit, Matty?
I'm gonna hit back and a little bit of biceps. Bond. James Bond.
Okay. Hey, hell yeah, bro. Have a great day, everyone.
Hey guys.
To take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at
Magic sunscreen.
Can you see it? The worst is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your love. So don't let them steal your life. Your stride. There is light on the other side. You'll see all the raindrops falling me. It's a revolution. It's a revolution. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late.